It's your girl Nisha with 2 A's, back at it again with another video. And yes, I uploaded back to back in the same day. So basically right now it's about almost 2 o'clock a.m. and I'm about to get ready for bed. So I am about to show you guys how I wrap my hair, and I will not be putting no sound or doing a voiceover. So you just have to watch it because it's self-explanatory. Without further ado, let's get into the video.
Life for me, yeah. Like you losing hope, like you losing hope. I can't take no more, no, I can't take no more. Gotta hit the road, gotta stand my dough, gotta get my choke, yeah. Remember all the times you were right for me. Remember all the times you was life for me. Remember all the times you were life for me. Damn, feel like you losing hope. Gotta get my grind, gotta get my grind. Do this every time, do this every time. I've been down the ride, I've been down the ride.
D-Mark got that heat.
You know I'm thuggish, but sometimes I gotta cry. Still keep it real to them niggas that was acting in disguise. I know we're not supposed to force the Lord, but every time I think about them, ask the Lord why. I ask the Lord why they envy me. You know I'm still a G, I keep a stick on me, or they ain't feeling me. I'm with the wood, yeah, we rollin', riding in the streets. They gon' remember me. Yeah.
Fuck these pussy niggas, they some bitches, hope you notice me. Got a lot of bitches and they feelings can't get over me. I'm Guatemala chillin', counting chicken, finna serve the team. Got a lot of niggas wanna kill me, that's what's certain me, yeah. It's in my blood, it's in my pen. We hit your block and spin a bin. If you ain't know, we spin again, yeah. I'm on my mind, been doing sins, been wasting time in and out that pen. Came back around, niggas know the deal. Ain't chasing a bitch, I been chasing a check. Been working the gym cause they hate when I flex. Fly like a dancer and know how I step. Wherever you takes me, that's where you get left. I heard with stripes, you would think I'm a ref. Living this life, you gon' get what you get. We take what we want cause we don't see no threat. Can use your mouth, but we come for your neck, yeah.
D-Mark got that heat.
Fuck it, I'm losing hope, yeah, I'm losing hope. Oh, remember day we were all broke, no home training, so we robbed the stove. Yeah, oh, we clutching foes ever since grandma left, man, I don't trust the soul. Don't
Face be so dry and my nose be so shiny for some reason. It don't be oily, it just be so shiny for some reason. But thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share with your family and friends. And until next time, bye.